Hi guys. I usually do this on my phone, but I don't have that right now, so I'm recording this on my computer. But I was using it like a little bit on and off today, and I thought, let's see if we can take advantage of that and maybe make a video. I haven't done one in like a month. I looked the other day, and yeah. I also need to be able to send this to my phone when I get it back because I only have the channel details on there because I have an actual channel for me as well, which I won't give out because I don't want it to be linked. And I also have a channel that I watch videos on, which is completely different to the one I upload stuff on, and this one. So that's all I really wanted to say. And hopefully you enjoyed this. Chew. 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 Hope you guys enjoy this video. See you in the next one.